right, let me tell you a short story. You're welcome. Farmer Green has a donkey. So whenever the donkey sees Farmer Green coming in the morning with his food, the donkey makes the sound E-R, E-R, E-R. All right, so I want you to lift up your hands, okay? Now, take it up for E and bring it down for O. E-R, E-R. Good job. So that is the latest sound, E-R. So I'm going to take it one after the other. All right, so this is the E sound. All right, you have the E sound in words like seed, seed, sheep, queen, feet. All right, so let's go again. Sheep, okay, in seed, seed. All right, that's a big seed. Okay, seed. Can you hear the little sound E? All right, so this is the E, it's the long E, okay? Seed, seed, okay? Good job. All right, so we've learned the letter sound E. Okay, so we'll come back for the R sound.